Yeah, Olo na Ediafo no. This is Ediafo onye de kacha egwu ọnwụ. Ụlọ nna ya. Nna mụtara nna ya rụrụ. Nna ya show ibekwe m nke nna ya o. I just want to open up to you people, for you people to understand the kind of people, somebody, the kind of person deceiving you all. Lekwe here, kọrị we chia da na janto ba.
Edi ahụ na aha ya wụ egwu ọmụ onye dịkachi. Ọwụ onye akụ. DSS ka ọ na-arụ. Ọwụ na ọ dị ọjọọ sọsọ DSS, mana ọ wee messenger na DSS. Just a messenger. Ọda ka a na-enye ya mana enyezie ya ọda. O werezie ọda ha na-enye abịa na-emebi isi obodo anyị in the name of ọ na-asachi gentle.
Any place that kidnappers is disturbing or terrorists are disturbing, we shall invent that place. That is our work. And that is what Nnamdi Kanu said us to be doing. And we are doing it. So you not come and block our way and you think that we will leave you. No. Your head will go down.
Why are you? Pokigwe Monza, Pandompa, Igadigwe, Guabatobia, Gumbam Nonkete. Neha met in the Okigwe security, Okigwe Ezinnachi security, Neha met Heba, Nefe, Dara, Mboa de Quania, Ogondo Britano, Chiliakelu, security Ezinnachi. But as now, Machara, Nyakana, Yambelolu, Neha met here. Adla kibe ndara ya wakara ka ye madu yikare yika mama duka ndami nwuru na agha ka aja zuga chidi ya chinye ji agha mkpokoro helmet rubbish akrak oto shad yo helmet ndi berib na efe ha do 7 eba berib na ya 1 2 3 4 5 okwazo 6 mbo nene ya ana asakwa ya mmiri doka dibia nka ọrụta ya nna be nwa Biafra Liberation Army ogondo Britain chile aka elu tulumbu na hope no biara nwa chikwonwu no biara nwa chinonwu ana wizra nafa Ezinnachi noka boys Ezinnachi noka boys ono na umuka enwe boys na ihube ka enwe boys na ka enwe boys na umulon ka enwe boys na abobu ka enwe boys na amuro ka owu malumoke mgbe abi agbapụ ndị prison abek no no bia create no bia measure Okigwe no feel no Okigwe ugwu Hausa Okigwe Biafra land center of the Biafra Okparimo state kunu na abia nwa kunsu ga abuku no lo no ha that woman na kopu na ata binye cha unu pump okwa bịara nari unu na-egwi nna unu ewele ọnụ oge Okigwe Monza Okigwe gade berigbo ugbo onwe onye shigi na waya geji nke akwa o shi horo gị na-atụ nkwe ufere ga mmaji olu onye nukwa ya kara ibe ya gajie Okigwe Monza pe gade ụmụ gị n'ọrụ onye na-eme gị from Nnamdi Kanu to Butozo, from Butozo to Simon Ekpan, from Simon Ekpan to Gento Yawupulos onye eziokwu ụmụ gị na-agụrụ n'ọfọ ndụ nka ndụ mmiri ndị azụ onye si n'ihu na-eme nwe isi generation onye ya agụgwa n'aha Chukwu Okike abịa ise.
Please, if you are visiting my YouTube channel for the first time, subscribe with us and turn on your notification button.
Hello Biafrans, welcome to Magnetic Gist TV. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Today being 24th of August 2025, here is the news in details. The Biafra Liberation Army has debunked all the fake news surrounding the social media that Igwe Butuzo, Gentle the Yahoo, and Jamaica and his boys, that they are the one responsible for all the kidnapping, for all the atrocities, for all the insecurity that is going on in Biafra land, especially in Imo State. They have debunked that news. In fact, they have come out to expose those that are behind all the atrocities that has been going on or that is going on in Imo State, especially in Okigwe. Here you will see that they have named those people, even the one called Eddie Ahono. They have exposed him. They put his picture on social media, telling people that Eddie Ahono is one of the chief sponsors of insecurity in Imo State, especially in Okigwe. One of the citizens of Okigwe came out here to also debunk the news that Gentle Yahoo is responsible for what is happening in Okigwe. According to this young man, he said that what is happening in Okigwe is not the fault of Gentle Yahoo, but rather some politicians who brought in Ebubeagu to come and buy them, to come and destroy them, to come and burn houses, to come and do a lot of atrocities, all in the name of searching for Gentle Yahoo.
Okay, wonderful people of Biafra, lovers of Biafra all over the world. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on your time zone and location. Today is 23rd of August, 2025. There is an update, there is a current update and the current situation that is going on in Yolo, my maternal home. And two, a ga-awụ ihe ọjọọ na mụ anọ ihe ọjọọ na-eme n'obodo nne m si pụta. There is a name I'm going to call. These people are the people that causing every damn insecurity in Olo State. Nta m na-akpọrọ na aha ha na weta na akwụkwọ weta pen date unu here listen. These people are the reason why there's a big insecurity in Olo State. And there is another guy who is disturbing on social media doing blah blah blah. You think that Biafra is comedy. You think we are doing blogging. Let me tell you, whatever they call cash TV. Let me tell you don't know what you're doing to yourself. You're just coming online talking arrant nonsense. Do you know how many innocent souls that Ebubeagu have wasted in that state? You're there talking nonsense. Instead of you to talk and call for intervention of your people, you're there doing nonsense, bringing all sorts of blaspheming videos. Let me tell you something. You, Gideon, or Ezinnachi, or whatever they call yourself, on that Cash TV, you're doing content, thinking that Biafra are not watching you. We are watching you. And remember you have families. And I believe that your families will know that you don't need to call as a brother. Your families, I know that wherever they are, they will know that you are not worthy to be their son. Let me tell you. And I want to use this opportunity to greet the Major General Igwe Butuzo, the general of all generals, the general of all commanders of Liberation Army. Ebe ọbụla ala Igbo kwụsịrị, ebe ọbụla ebitere. Ana m ekele gị n'anya ukwu. Udo ga-adịrị gị. Onye ọbụla na-achụ gị ga-ahụrịrị ọdịda. Maka ndị na-awụ ha viga ụmụnne ha nnu, ha hara ha mmiri n'ụzọ, dohoro ha mmiri, onye vire nnu ga hara mmiri. Like these names I'm going to call, Ejimako, Detuo, Detuo, ka mma afọ ichefu, because a na-awụ ihe mmekọta atọ ya aka. That na men mechiri ọ na-achọ ikwu ikwu ka ha fe dịka we exposing somebody that have helped you in one way or the other. But ejigala discipline ndị achọ ha ka mmadụ kụrụ nwụrụ mmiri tobe iko. They want us to start exposing them. Yes, we have to expose them because ha hapụla ihe asị ha mewe ha ọzọ because of their selfish interests. Because of their political selfish interests. Ha nwere achọghị ije ndị chere gọvanọ, ndị chere senator, ndị chere here. Forgetting that they come to convince people that kidnappers are threatening them. Kidnappers are doing them all sorts of things in Olo. They call the help of instant security network.
According to him, he said that since they have been looking for Yahoo, have they seen Yahoo? No. Rather, what they succeeded in is buying innocent ones, burning people's houses, chasing people away from their communities. That this is not good at all. I can tell you, the Biafra liberation guys are already out. They are not hiding their face anymore. They are now letting people to know exactly what is going on in Biafran land, so that they will know who and whom to believe and who not to believe in all this struggle issue.
Recruit all the whole bandits, all the whole terrorists in North, and bring them to also to be against the people that you people brought in to defend you, to defend your land. Now you people are not turning against them with Ebubeagu. Everyday war. Currently, there's a very brutal war going on there in my own maternal home. When all this is happening in Oso, I was one of the Biafra Liberation Army. I came to that place and we fought with our last blood. But now, the regard and the respect and things we need, and from them now, is start insulting General Butuzo, the man that took risk. Do you know what to pull out, man? The man that took risk to safeguard his land. Ikenga Sunday, okay. You know how you supported. You know how you knelt down. You know how you pleaded to General Butuzo. Please, look at, we are dying. Although people are dying. Now, you people will now jeopardize against Biafra Liberation Army. Against your people. Don't worry. I believe that Chukwuka Biama will visit you people one after the other. Young barrister, BC. Young barrister, you know yourself. You know how you pleaded. You know how you pleaded. You know how you pleaded. You and your family, or just a family, and you people know how you people pleaded. And make your brother too. Amaka Ocheze. You people know how you people come in mask. But now, you people are now bringing all the blames and Biafra Liberation Army. Because of you people think that everybody have go back to their state to go and safeguard. No, we are in missionary work. Any place that kidnappers is disturbing or terrorists are disturbing, we shall invent that place. That is our work. And that is what Nnamdi Kanu said us to be doing. And we are doing it. So you not come and block our way and you think that we will leave you. No, your head will go down. Now, the return is to bring Ebubeagu terrorists to recruit people. And not telling us that they brought from Tupoye that you should come and take amnesty. Why? The people that you people provided gun, bullets, and then now let the people, because of your political interest, that we should not provide amnesty so that the government, you people will be doing government that people will have men. So because of we disagree on that nonsense, amnesty people are coming up with. Now you want to turn against Biafra Liberation Army. Let me still be calling. Bishop, you know how you contributed. Bishop, you know how you pleaded. Ozi, you know how you contributed. Ibu, you know how you contributed. All these people and the rest of them, they know how they contributed in making Biafran's Liberation Army Instant Security Network then to come to also. Because men are in different states. They are, when Commander Butuzo ask us, ask men, they should come. Look at what is going on in my state. Kidnappers want to take over, Funana herdsmen want to take over my land. And my brothers are pleading. They are, hey, now men now came and defend you guys. People are now bringing threatening words. But no, I know that one day Chukwuka Biama will bring you people out to judgment. Thank you for watching this video. Please share and watch. This
So, guys, this is Iseke and the Omaka. You can see so many people has run away from these two communities, but at the end of this whole thing, the name of the Lord will surely be glorified. All hail Biafra. Let there be peace. Remember, we keep preaching peace and we keep shouting, let there be peace in Igbo land. Let there be peace in whole Biafra land. Enough is enough of all this spying. Enough is enough. We are brothers. We are sisters. Let us join hands together.
Things has been happening over there, but nobody is capable to find out the truth. And why there is truth, everybody was afraid. Everybody is afraid. Onye ọ na-atụ ụjọ ka hapụ igbu ya. Mana mụ, I risk my life. Si na anything ga-eweta udo n'ala akụ with ala Igbo as a whole, m ga-eme ya. So onye ji sị ka m kọwara unu most of the things na-eme happen n'ime ala akụ today. Mana first of all, before man na-aga n'ihu, aha m wụ Ogbuanụ Chibunna Syracuse from Umuekegwu Amoria Akụ n'ime Okigwe State, popularly known as Sira Boy, the one and only musician enwere n'ala akụ egwu m online. So o nwere popularly video na-aga online because of Commander Gentle the Yahoo. Nsi ka m pụtakwa today ka m mee ndị akụ address on that particular video and to address them on what to do, to tell them that that road that they are following is not a good way for them. Ka ha mo understand ihe megan n'ime obodo anyị. Ebe a nọ, one of the victims' house of Ediahonu, a terrorist, na terrorize ala akụ and ala Okigwe. Ya wụ part of the house ọ gbara ọkụ. So today, onye njisi ka m nọrọ here eme video, m batara sị ka m nọrọ here eme video, so that ka ọkwa na everything m na-ekwu, I'm doing it with my evidence. Ediahonu aha ya wụ egwu ọmụ Onyedikachi. Ọwa onye akụ DSS ka ọ na-arụ. Ọwụ na ọ dị ọjọọ sọsọ DSS, mana ọ wee messenger na DSS, just a messenger. Ọda ka a na-enye ya, mana enyezie ya ọda, o werezie ọda ha na-enye ya bịa na-emebi isi obodo anyị in the name of ọ na-asachi Gentle. Mana since that time, terrible thing has been happening in my community. We have lost so many people. We have been looking for so many people. We have lost so many souls because of the activities of this young man, Ediahonu, DSS. Achọrọ m ka akụ niile gee m ntị today. Were mara ebe nsi abịa, ọmụ awụ Sira Boy. Onwe ihe ga-eme onye eziokwu anakwa na amụ, because eziokwu wụ ndụ. I must speak the truth. Let the world hear me. This video can just call the attention of the whole Igbo land, the whole world, to know what is really happening. That propaganda video and propaganda statements and comments I make about Commander Gentle the Yahoo is a lie, typical lie. If you think that you are speaking the right and all the allegation on a book Commander Gentle is truth, prove your evidence. I have my own evidence. This Ediahonu ebugo so many people in my village, which anytime Ozoro say na na abia war, many people give, which we don't know where they used to go. Man, some people are go, which we have noticed that they are really dead. They are no more again. So here na go today, kunu get months o chanting of Monday akufuno. Some of you amaho ebe mmiri si ba na opi ugbogoro. Because so many of you have been confused, have been deceived, because you people don't really know what is going on. These people are using us to find their own personal interest, but we don't know. This is the time for us to stand and reason, think on what to do. Ediahonu, your activities ebugo so many souls n'obodo anyị. O nwere one voice note trend of ma n'ime akụ imere si any day ị chọrọ ya wugodi na ọwa onye ara, wurugodi na ọwa onye isi adịghị ma wurugodi old man or anybody Gentle ugburu n'ala akụ, which he has not been killing anybody. Mana esi na anybody ugburu n'ala akụ that you will come for revenge. Since I have been monitoring, I have been investigating, I have been checking to know whether we look for any souls again. But no. Eri dugum huna anytime e biara war, kpọrọ ndị Fulani eyinyere uniform bata n'obodo anyị bịa mebi isi anyị. So many souls na-anwụ, so many souls na-efu, so many people ka a na-achọgide abịa chọpụta na ha nwụgo. Ndị akụ, achọrọ m ka unu gee m ntị. O nwekwana ihe ọzọ mere eji achọgharị nwoke ka egbuo, ọkwanị maka nwoke wee nye eziokwu, and aga m na-ekwu ya. First of all, ndị akụ tiri m wanted because na akụrụ m egwu ntitled, I titled the song Freedom. Oh, Biafran song. I've been performing the song countless times, both on my TikTok accounts. It's online. Oh, he mere eji achọ m ka egbuo, mana nevertheless, ọ gakwa eme mma akwụsị eziokwu na-ekwu, ọ gakwa eme mma akwụsị ime ịrụ the good work na-arụ. So achọrọ m ka ndị akụ wit mba ụwa niile zaa m ajụjụ a, ma ndị a na-akpịsị aha ha na-egburu egbu ma ọ jee ntụ gburu ha. Edi ahụ ọnụ, this last war ka bịara last week, ịgbagburu Ifeanyị Okorie nta ewi, ọ jee ntụ gburu ya. Igburu my brother a na-akpọ Sunday Ụzọkwe Innocent Gworotongwo, onwe onye amaghị ya n'ala akụ. Igburu ya. Igburu nwunye ya Ijeọma Ụzọkwe. Igburu Bekee na Ofishi nke na-acha ụcha, onwe onye ama Bekee na-erere anyị ice cream. Igburu nwanne ya nwoke Sunday Wasụwara, onwe onye amaghị asụwara. Igburu Echi Nwa. Igburu a young virgin ka na-eto eto n'ala akụ n'ime Amoria a na-akpọ Favor. Igburu that girl. Many of them. Igburu so many souls up to 50, which ma ndị nchetegoro ma ndị mechete. Igburu Onowu. Promise Eze, nwanne senior brother gentle the Yahoo, ọ igburu ya. Igburu so many people who nechete like this, anya mmiri a na-agba m. A young boy si Nnewi bata ka ọ bịa nyere mmanya aka kọtụ ọrụ ugbo because ebe ọ na-arụ ọrụ onye enyere ya leave ya bata 18 years gị gbagbuo ya si na ọ terrorist n'ime your own town, n'ime your own village. All the whole houses was burnt down because na akụrụ m egwu ịgbara ụlọ nna m ọkụ. Our house, my father built that house when he was still at the age of 23 because that time ndị village anyị na-eme ịchọrọ ịrụ ụlọ, everybody will come and help you. Azọrọ gị aja red were rụọrọ gị ụlọ free. Everybody enyere gị aka, onye nwere ihe o nwere ochie ya bute ya, enyere gị aka rụọ ụlọ gị. My father built that house but you burnt it down with all the property nọ n'ime there. None of our property was brought out. Ugbu so ihe nke na-akpọkwara unu na edi ahụ ọnụ iji ndị Fulani in army uniform were gbuo nwanne m nwoke Dede. Igburu Amaka Ajueke. Igburu ya. Igburu so many people. Igburu Ụkọ. So many people awụhụ as in ha enweghị any problem igburu ha. Ihe na-achọ ime ka mba ụwa niile mara na ebubo niile a na-ebo Gentle the Yahoo wa asị onweghị nke mere eme. Gentle is a good man that is protecting our land Biafra and has nothing to do or to hurt his people in any way. Ya wee eziokwu ndị niile kwesịrị ịmara wee jikwa na ohere a na-akpọkọ the whole world mba ụwa with ndị Igbo niile ka ha banyere anyị aka na anyị afụgo a lot of things na-agba anyị anya mmiri, ka ha werekwana mara na ọ nwanne anyị nwee ka edi ahụ ọnụ nke DSS wee onye na-eji ndị Fulani in military uniform wee na-abịa egbu every young youth nọ n'Okigwe na-terrorize everywhere. Where the allegation na-ebunye n'ichi Gentle. Everybody have been seeing it. The truth is finally out. So I'm here to expose it more.
This young man here has also explained the reason why what is going on in Imo State or in Biafran land as a whole will not stop until the very day Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is being released or Mazi Simon Ekpa is being released. Because according to him, he said that when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has not been kidnapped in Kenya, the case of kidnapping is not there. The same thing when Mazi Simon Ekpa has not been arrested in Finland, the case of kidnapping is not there. But immediately these two guys are in, the case of kidnapping went high and so many things are now happening, and the government knows exactly what to do, but they refused. They them release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I can assure you, the very moment they release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, that is the end of insecurity in Biafra land. But because so many people are benefiting from all this insecurity, that's the reason why they do not want this insecurity to stop immediately. But God passed them. I can tell you, God passed them.
Unu wee je buru onye na-enye agụ nni. Je buru onye na-enye agụ nni tukpuo na prison. Tukpuo ya na cell, kidnap ya. Agụ bịa the first day chọọ nni ọfụlọ. Bịa the second day chọọ nni ọfụlọ. Bịa the third day chọọ nni ọfụlọ. Agụbaga agụ. Agụ chọrụzie nni pụbazi ụzọ mgbe ahụ agụ wụọ wild animal. Mgbe ahụ agụ wụọ wild animal. They feel me? Onwere onye ga-control muzie. Oles ka onye anwa na-enye ya nni ọpụtarụ. Yes, only person ga-control nwunye bụ onye anwa na-enye ya nni ka ọ pụtarụ. Mgbe anwa ka okuru down. Ọbịakọbịa jikwara nwa ya tọbara ya nni. Wee calm down. Mgbe ebuolu Nnamdi Kanu, ka ihe many of you na think na ọ ga-eme. Onye ọbụla ga-agbasa je chọba nni. Simon Ekpa na bịa calm things down. Agbabịa mgbe okpuru ibulie. Ọkwa ebe kwuo dike sị m na n'ọnya nwa biye delu petition, n'ọnya nwa biye melu n'ọnya nwa sef biye kpọdo ndị ọcha bịa eji bịa meche some video, mecha some evidence. N'ọnya nwa bụ ihe na aka ya, n'ọnya nwa bụ personally biye melu Simon Ekpa na arrest. Mgbe kwa ụka aka na-ege the voice note. Mgbe si na-ate nke n'ime uche m, isi ọ dịkwa ọnya mma. Ijos kwa bịa were the head onye kamuru those guys down. Kamuru those guys down, na-enye fa nni, na-enye fa ego, na-enye fa equipment fa need, ndị a kamuo down. Nothing like kidnapping that time. Nothing like nka that time. Reasonable that benefit. Ije were onye isi fa. Odegeke iwere onye isi fa ka everything ga calm down. Why can't you go everything with procedure? You can't just view dive walk ago to avoid the mistake. Everything with procedure. You feel me? Everything with procedure. Biafra abrozi yo ya bo igeji iga akpụ n'ọnụ. Biafra carry go that level. Oh, procedure eje. The only way you calm those boys down, the only way is to release Nnamdi Kanu or release Simon Ekpa. That is the only way. If not, those guys are gonna go beyond. Because those men, well, I don't want to talk much, sure. So that is the reason why I don't talk bad against them. If Obuna unu chọ ka everything die, ka ani Igbo juru oyi, una know the needful. Yes, ka onye ọbụla mepe ọnụ kwuo the needful. The needful is to release Nnamdi Kanu. Ani Igbo ajụ oyi. Onye ọbụla ma ihe kwesịrị ime. So ịpụtazi ebe na-asị m kwuo bad against something Nnamdi Kanu debere. Munga ga-ekwu bad against them, so that tomorrow une were ya taba m ụta kịtịkpa gbọgbuchakwa unu ihe na-agwa m that kind of rubbish. They feel me? Tomorrow Biafra guzo tomorrow ebupụtezie na asa my page one after the other.
Let us love one another. We all love you. Please share this video, and let us interact in our comment section. Bye.